Sincerity creates value, pushing the limits of hardness. Zhuzhou Cemented Carbide Cutting Tools Company Limited. China's largest cemented carbide producer, the ZCC Group, was established in the mid-1980s with advanced technology to establish professional and precision indexable inserts. Within China, our cemented carbide production line is in a class of its own, on par with more developed parts of the world. The harsh conditions in place for most modern production technology means cutting tools are oftentimes the deciding factor of workpiece quality, and poor quality cutting tools become immediately apparent. Complicating matters, workpiece materials are constantly being developed and changing. To become a large cutting tool manufacturer and maintain long-term competitiveness, it is imperative to think ahead, execute strategy, and lead global trends. In 2002, ZCC Group established the Diamond Industrial Park, including the latest high-performance precision indexable inserts, solid carbide tools, indexable and brazed tips, tool holding system production line, and R&D center. Customer confidence lies in a company's concrete achievements. Throughout ZCC-CT's development, the company has improved every aspect of operations, facilities, technology, quality, testing, delivery, and our sales and service network. Since entering business, our main concern is creating value. We approach our business with the conviction that we share in creating a future together with our customers. Our world-class state-of-the-art production facilities and strong research and development team gives us the ability to provide complete and comprehensive metal cutting solutions. Our research center does pure and applied research under one roof, with R&D personnel totaling 20% of ZCCCT's staff. Our core technology superiority rests with a combination of materials research, cutting-edge coating applications, and the design and development of cemented carbide inserts and solid carbide cutting tools. Constantly innovating, we are granted patents and innovative production annually. ZCC-CT includes our indexable insert plant, indexable cutting tool plant, solid carbide cutting tool plant, brazed tip plant, and ceramic insert plant. These facilities ensure product quality and delivery dates. At our precision indexable insert plant, our present annual production capacity is 26 million pieces, and we expect to increase that to 40 million pieces by the end of 2008. The indexable cutting tools plant produces indexable turning and milling tools with over 60,000 pieces annually. By the end of 2007, the indexable cutting tools plant annual production will expand to 2 million units. The brazed tips plant can produce up to 1,100 tons of brazed tips and clamping tools annually, and our ceramic plant can produce 100,000 ceramic inserts per year. Every plant meets international standards, and we wouldn't have it any other way. Our long-term goal is to be a recognized, world-class integrated supplier of metal and ceramic cutting tools. At ZCCCT, we never stop researching, developing, or innovating. We have always maintained a high level of competitiveness, combined science and technology with a clear understanding of market trends to make a positive response to industry demands. We make sure every one of our tools suits customers' actual needs and our products match industry demands. We supply all standard and non-standard production to our customer, ceramic and super hard materials for our trademark high quality, high precision turning, milling, boring, drilling, parting, grooving, and threading indexable inserts and matching high precision cutting tools. We also manufacture high-quality brazed tips, indexable inserts, and cemented carbide boring tools and production systems. Our product line contains chip breakers for roughing, semi-finishing, and finishing tools for all types of materials. ZCC-CT is also able to produce custom-designed cutting tools and meet a wide range of complete cutting tool solutions. In the face of economic globalization, competition in the information age, information management has become one key to remaining competitive. In 2001, ZCC-CT adopted the ERP system and implemented information application technology to corporate planning, manufacturing, sales, warehousing, purchasing, strategic management, policymaking, and innovations and achievements. In 2007, the company adopted the SAP management system and the B2B e-commerce platform. Information management effectively integrates company resources and saves costs, strengthening our ability to handle market crises, and assisted our move away from a hierarchical system of organization. Managing information has been a huge success, and we believe it's the wave of the future to competing in today's international marketplace. Sales and service are crucial to solid customer relations. ZCC-CT can be found spanning the globe. We cover Europe and the US with permanent representatives, and our sales network includes 70 countries. Besides standard products, we do orders for special function tools and complete cutting tool solutions. From operations simplification to reducing tool inventories, we satisfy customers' needs for high precision, efficiency, and reduced costs. We are currently working hard to develop more overseas reps and even more thorough global services. The ZCC Group's 50 years of experience with cemented carbide cutting tool research, production, and sales stands second to none in China. On the world stage, ZCC-CT's conscientious and reliable standards have made us a world-class supplier. Sincerity creates value, pushing the limits of hardness. Zhuzhou Cemented Carbide Cutting Tools Company Limited. Turning tools, chip breakers, grades. D series of chip breakers. ZCC has promoted special chip breakers of the D series based on the market demands. The advanced three-dimensional chip breaking structure and the standard chip breakers for inserts of a negative rake has met the whole process ranging from rough machining to finishing machining in modern machining operations. Inserts with a wiper edge, WG chip breakers. The chip breakers with a special tool tip and the design of a chip breaking stand are the special chip breakers for inserts with a wiper edge. They can meet the request of high efficient and good quality machining in modern machining operations. PTGNL 2525M16 external turning tools. PCLNL 2525M16 external turning tools. Black diamond grades for machining steel parts. CBD coated grades, fibrous titanium CN, and fine grain size AL203 coating increases resistance to wear and edge breakage. They are grades for the semi-finishing to finishing machining of steel, and they can achieve a high cutting speed with an increase of over 25% in moderate working conditions. The tool lifetime can be increased over 30% at same cutting speeds. The inserts are of a special surface technology that improves the surface finish, decreases the cutting force, reduces the adhesion of the surface of the insert with the machine material, increasing the stability in the cutting operations. Nano-coated grades for machining stainless steel. AL titanium N coating of high performance combined with a strong and tough substrate possesses outstanding thermal and chemical stability, especially suitable for the semi-finishing and finishing turning of stainless steel, and the light and heavy load milling of stainless steel, heat-resistant alloys, high-temperature alloys, and titanium alloys. NC titanium ALN coating of nanostructure. The smooth coated surface reduces friction with a free flow of chippings. The unique nanostructure coating is tougher and harder with a strong adhesion with the substrate. The outstanding thermal and chemical stability provides effective protection for the cutting edges. Black diamond grade for machining cast iron. Cast iron is one of the structural materials that are widely used in automobile and compressor industries. The application of the technology of high-speed cutting will obtain extremely high production efficiency and economic profits. As the high-speed technology has a high speed, the inserts encounter a high-frequency cutting force near to impact and thermal vibration, and thus it requires that the inserts should possess high-temperature stability and resistance to impact. CBD coated grades and thick titanium CN and AL203 coatings are suitable for the machining of nodular cast iron under good working conditions, and the machining without coolant of gray cast iron at a high speed. The coating and the substrate is all suitable for the high speed and a high feed cutting of cast iron. The cutting speed can increase by 30 to 40%. The cost can be reduced and the lifetime can be increased by 40 to 50%. LH series of chip breakers. The edges are extremely sharp and the surface of the chip breakers has been specially treated. They cut lightly with an excellent free flow of chippings when they machine materials of high plasticity, such as aluminum alloys and copper, as well as others, and it is the only option for machining of such materials. PCBN inserts for machining hardened materials. N series of chip breakers, NF, NM. They are chip breakers specially developed for machining materials hard to machine that are highly hard, highly adhesive, and seriously getting hard during machining, such as Ni-based high-temperature alloys that are widely used in aviation industry. The unique design of the chip breakers has many advantages. Sharp edges with excellent strength. Smooth surface with a free flow of chippings. The special YD101 is highly stable in high temperatures. Coated grade YBG102 renders the insert's optimal wear resistance. H series of chip breakers for internal turning. HR chip breakers. Its tough cutting edge with a strong edge zone performs with ease even under unfavorable working conditions. It is suitable for internal roughing and intermittent machining. HM chip breaker. The wave chip breaking stand along the convex part of the cutting edge makes the chippings flow smoothly, and the sharp cutting edge cuts lightly, and it is the first option for internal semi-finishing. HF chip breaker. The sharp cutting edge and the convex chip breaking stand can well control the flow of chippings when it performs semi-finishing operation